The Marvel Cinematic Universe just took a major swing at one of the most important rules set up in Avengers, Endgame, breaking a law of time travel that was once deemed completely unbreakable. Eyes of Wakanda is a dynamic animated series exploring tales from the nation's long history. Among its diverse tales is a time travel narrative that completely undermines Avengers. Endgame. In Avengers Endgame, Bruce Banner clearly explained how time travel works in the MCU timeline. Banner dismissed the Back to the Future style idea. He explained that if you travel to the past, that past becomes your future, and the original timeline remains unaffected. Yet, in the years since, numerous projects have overruled this, with the latest being Eyes of Wakanda. Eyes of Wakanda Episode 4 completely shatters the MCU's 6-year-old time travel rule. The episode centers around a future Panther, hundreds of years ahead, who travels back in time to the 1800s to change a key moment. The future Panther is hoping to prevent Earth from being overrun by a parasitic alien horde 500 years in the future. Unlike in Endgame, where the past was considered immutable in terms of affecting the present, this Panther's mission does impact the future. In fact, the entire goal of the episode is to alter a critical event, so the disaster never happens. This contradicts the fundamental logic laid out by Bruce Banner, who specifically said, "Changing the past doesn't change the future." This isn't the first time Marvel has bent or outright retconned its own time travel logic. Loki Seasons 1 and 2 essentially abandoned Endgame's version of linear time travel entirely. In Loki's story, timelines are pruned, rewritten, and even rewritten again, with the TVA controlling the sacred timeline in a way that directly conflicts with Banner's rules. Deadpool and Wolverine likewise played fast and loose with time too, as Deadpool jumps between realities and tries to fix a doomed timeline. Even Endgame itself broke its own logic when Steve Rogers went back in time and somehow re-entered the main timeline as an old man, despite earlier explanations that this shouldn't be possible. Now, Eyes of Wakanda continues the trend, making time travel in the MCU more malleable than ever. The multiverse, once governed by strict logic, is slowly turning into narrative chaos. It seems that time travel rules, once established as sacrosanct, have become a movable feast within the MCU.